ला भोसड़ी के बेटे 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 मौज कर दी। हाँ मौज कर दी वाह बेटे वाह। तुम तो बड़े हैवी ड्राइवर हो। समझ रहे हो? బయట मज्जिगलो नारियल पानी मालूम है ना पूरे पीले ना समुद्र रहना तो भैया మొత్తం మోడల్ ఉన్నదా డ్రైవింగ్ లా బా ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ ఈ రోడ్ ఎప్పుడైతుందో ఏందో బయట
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
పెట్రోల్ అయిపోయింది, రోడ్డు మధ్యలో అయిపోయినాం.
A few minutes later.
చూసుకోకుండా వచ్చిన బండి పట్టుకొని పెట్రోల్ అయిపోయింది, ఇక రోడ్డు మీద నడవాల్సి వస్తుంది బండి పట్టుకొని. ఏంటి భయ్యా ఇది ఇట్లా అయిపోతుంది? ఎండలేమో చంపుతుంది.
Hours later.
అమ్మా పెట్రోల్ బంక్ దొరికేసింది.
Next morning. ఇంజన్ కేర్ గురించి ఇదే అది యూఎస్ఆర్ డికాబో ఇంజన్ కేర్ నేను చెప్పిన షాప్ ఇదే. అన్నయ్య లోపలనే ఉన్నాడు, పోయి మీట్ అవుదాం. మొన్న చూసినాం.
ఓకే గైస్, వచ్చిన అన్న దగ్గరికి ఇప్పుడు కనుక్కుందాం ఇది ఏంది ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంతా అన్ననాడు తెలుసుకుందాం. అట్లానే డిస్కౌంట్ ఏమన్నా మన పేరు చెప్తే డిస్కౌంట్ ఏమైనా వస్తాయేమో చూద్దాం, అడుగుదాం. అన్న మా ఆత్మ అన్న పేరు నర్సింగ్.
Thank you all the subscribers of Jeevan Reddy Kanala. So we have started our new office called SR Decabo. It's a decarbonizing center which eliminates carbon which is accumulated in the engine over the period of time in a two-way of processing. Come, we'll have a mission show to you guys. Yeah, this is a decarbonizing mission. By doing decarbonization of your car or vehicle, any engine that runs on petrol and diesel, starting from 50cc to 15,000 cc, irrespective whether it is two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, 10, 16, 18, irrespective of the engine, it's going to decarbonize the vehicle. By doing decarbonization, we get all these benefits. It will give you some kind of mileage increase up to 5 kilometers, and then engine lifespan will get increased, and performance, smoothness, whenever you see some black smoke coming out of your exhaust, that is also going to decrease. Come, let's show you. I'll just walk you around the mission. Work on this mission by operating setting parameters here in this one, but it is not needed as of now. Why? Because this is fully automated. Works on hydroxy gas which comes from pipe. So this throws hydroxy gas. We insert this pipe into a air pipe which is directly connected to engine. So we have a liquid which is called energizer. This is energizer. We are going to pour this energizer, 30 ml of energizer, if the vehicle ran for 75,000 kilometers below. We pour this energizer in the petrol tank and we connect this pipe to the air intake. This is kind of two things. One is automated and one is manual. Whenever it is needed, whenever we have some issues with auto mode, then we choose manual. But right now I'll just start, we'll start heading towards auto settings. When we click on auto, it is going to show which vehicle you would like to do decarbonize. The first one is 2-wheeler, and 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler, and then 6-wheelers, 6 and above. Let's take, we'll start with the bike one. We have to choose the bike. After that, we need to give inputs. What is the cc of your bike? Bike's engine cc starts from 50 cc to 1000, 1200, whatever it is. 50 cc to 600 and above. Let's assume if I have a vehicle which is 200 cc, so I have to choose this 200 cc and then need to input parameters. During the process itself, we will get to hear the engine noise is getting decreased. You will actually listen heartbeat of the engine, and immediately after doing this decarbonization, you will get to notice performance, pickup, smoothness of the engine if the vehicle is driven more than 10,000 or 15,000 kilometers. So the recommended kilometers is at least the vehicle should run 25,000 kilometers. So till the time we should be having regular services done as per the company's policies as part of this warranty period, right? So we do not suggest any vehicle that had driven below 25,000 kilometers.
Okay,
Thank you Jeevan for coming and then introducing us to your subscribers as well as all YouTube viewers. Thanks a lot. And he is Mr. Narsingh. He is my partner. So we both together started this franchisee. It is a Delhi-based Decabo, which is a German-based tech.
ఓకే అన్న మా సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్కి మీకోసం ఏమైనా డిస్కౌంట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా మా పేరు చెప్తే?
Okay, we'll provide a gift coupon code to Jeevan Reddy Kanala. So whoever comes through him will get 5% on the actual charges. Thank you.
ఓకే గైస్, ఇక మనకి ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ దొరికింది. ఇక మనం అనుకున్న రైడ్ మనం వెళ్దాం, స్టార్ట్ అవుదాం ఇక.